Let's take another set of insects, which is the most beautiful and colorful insect that makes your garden look lovely. They sit on the flowers, sucking honey. What is that? Butterfly. Butterflies come in different colors, different shape, different size. And you can see wherever there are flowers, wherever there is a garden, you see them flying about. Butterfly spelled Butter, butter, Fly, fly. Let's write B U T T E R, butter, fly, Fly, fly. Let's write the B capital. B U T T E R Fly. Butterfly. When you put off the light and everything is dark, in the dark corners, you will see both big and small insects that trouble mommy in the kitchen, in the storeroom. Anyway, they fly about, they make a big problem. What is that? Cockroach. Cockroaches are big, some are tiny, but they are a big trouble to your mama, cockroach. Crock, Crock, cockroach. Let's write the C capital. C O C K R O A C H, cockroach. What's the next insect? Now, before the rain comes, there's a thin little insect with lovely glass wing that is called dragonfly, coming to tell us there's going to be a lot of rain. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Dragon, dragon, fly. Let's write the D capital. Dragon, dragon, fly. They come to tell us there's going to be rain. Next, which insect bites you and you feel so itchy and you get fever? Mosquito, yes. So, mosquitoes must be kept out of our house. Mosquito, mosquito. Mosquito, mosquito. Let's write the M capital. Mosquito. Mosquito. Let's look at all the insect names written. First, the most beautiful insect in the garden. Butterfly. Butterfly. Next, the insect that troubles mommy in the kitchen. Wherever dark corners in your house, you have cockroach. Cockroach, cockroach. Next, before the rain, a tiny thin insect with the glassy feathers fly about, telling us, watch out for the rain. Dragonfly, Dragonfly, dragonfly. Then there is a tiny insect that flies in, sucking your blood and giving you fever. Mosquito, Mosquito, mosquito. Good. Let's take the next set of insects. Now there's a very tiny, not very tiny, an insect that's very dangerous, poisonous, look like a tiny snake, but it will have heads on both sides. It will run and attack you fast. That's called centipede. Probably it is faster than what you think. Centipede, you must be careful wherever it is damp, toilet, garden, anywhere there's little water, they survive there. Look out for centipede. Centipede. Centipede, a very dangerous insect. Let's try it. Centipede. Centipede. Even if you try to kill it, it can go both sides because it's got two heads. Let's try the C, capital. CE. Centipede. Centipede. There's another nice, bright little reddish insect that you'll find in the garden. Sometimes on rainy days, it'll crawl into your house. It will look like a train. That children think that's a train. It will go like a train. You touch it, it'll curl up like a coin. That's called millipede. Millipede. Even that, if it bites, your skin will become red. So, millipede, millipede. millipede, millipede. Let's try the M, capital. millipede, millipede. Now, what the next insect we'll write? Centipede, millipede. What else? You walk into your garden, most plants will have caterpillars that eat up the tiny, juicy, tender leaves. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Pillar. Caterpillar. They are beautiful insects. They come in different colors. Let's write the C, capital. C. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. There is an insect that you find among the leaves and grass, but you cannot make out because it's the same color. But you will notice This insect eats up all the tender leaves, and they always come in summertime. What is that? Grasshopper. He hops about, eating up the best grass, best leaves available. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Yes, that's right. G R A S grass H O P P E grasshopper is always in bright green dress. Okay, let's write the H capital. Let's write the G capital. Grasshopper. G R A S S H O P P E R grasshopper. Let's look at all the insects we've written. First we have centipede, an insect with the two heads on both sides, very poisonous. Centipede, centipede. There's another insect, millipede, almost like the train. It goes like a train, reddish color insect with lots of tiny eggs, tiny legs. If you touch this little insect, it will curl up like a coin. Children call it train. The name is millipede, millipede, millipede. Next, we have caterpillar. It's the worm that turns into a butterfly. Some caterpillars are big. They sit in the garden and eat up all the lovely tender leaves. Caterpillar. It comes in different colors and different sizes. Cater, Caterpillar, caterpillar. And then finally, we have the summertime. An insect comes to clean up all the leaves and grass in your garden. That is grasshopper. Grasshopper. Grasshopper is always in bright green color.